Yes. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Alice, Benson, Charles, and Natalie are queuing for their favorite food. What does it mean? They are lined up to get some food, right?
Yes.
Benson is the second in the queue. Okay, so if they have first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, correct? So Benson is the second one in the line, okay? So Charles is right in front of Allison. So let me ask you, is it possible that Charles is here? No, because Charles is right in front of Alice. So this is Benson, so Charles cannot be here. So Charles can be only here. Then this is Alice. Correct? Understand, everybody? So where is Natalie? Natalie is the first one. Understand, Eleanor? Okay, so because if Charles is in the last one, there's nobody in the behind it, right? So it's that right in front of Allison. Correct, everybody? Okay, so if you understand number 2, okay, so let's take a look at number 2. A jaguar. Okay, so you know what? Let me just clear everything and I let you do it yourself. Let's try it, okay? Maybe you can do it yourself. Number 2. So I'm going to ask Anna, do you mind reading the question for me?
Wait, for number 2.
Yeah.
The jaguar in Black Panther.
别闹，别闹，上课不要闹，你迟到了。
Hi.
Hi. So number 2. Anna, can you read the question?
Okay. A jaguar in Black Panther and a tiger decided to have a race one day. The tiger did not come in first. The Black Panther was neither the first, neither the last one to finish the race. Which animal was slowest in the race?
Okay, so everybody, can you do this question yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I send it to you in chat?
Yes, please.
Q 打 Q 你别怕。
这是什么东西啊？好可怕呀！
假的。他昨天跟这个打了个架。
你们家猫猫吗？
嗯？
你们家猫猫跟它打架吗？
这个是假的。
我知道，你们家猫猫跟它打架了吗？
嗯。是假的。你听到吗？
做好了吗
I'm sending it to you.
？OK，我知道，我在问别的小朋友，到底是谁？ Okay, a jaguar. A jaguar, a black panther, and a tiger. 对不对? I decided to have a race one day.
Yes,
The tiger did not come first. Okay, so we're going to have the first, second, and the last. Okay, so let's just make a table. So the tiger did not come first. So tiger's not the first one. The Black Panther was neither the first nor the last. So the Black
Oh wait,
Panther
I
must
sent
be
you
the
I
middle
sent
one,
you
right?
the wrong one.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So jaguar must be the first one because the Black Panther is not first, neither the last, and tiger is not the first. So who is the first? Jaguar is the first. And which animal is the slowest? So last one must be tiger. So tiger is the last one. So everybody, did you get it right? Okay. So is it fun, everybody? I think
Yes.
it's pretty fun, right? It's pretty fun. Yes, I think so. Okay, very good. Tiger is the slowest. Okay, so let's take a look at number 3. Who can read the question for me?
Me.
Okay, Amelia.
The chocolate cake was half eaten when Mrs. Jones returned from work. Below were her children's replies when they were being questioned.
Mhm.
If 2 of her children liked who had eaten the chocolate cake.
Mhm. Okay, so everybody, please take a look. Okay, Eleanor has given me the assumption already.
Aren't there multiple answers?
No? OK，有2个小朋友发给老师了哦。嗯。 Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we're going to take a look at this one. How do we do it? A chocolate cake was half eaten when Mrs. Jones returned from work， 对不对？好了，有一个小朋友偷偷的吃掉了一半，对不对？ Secretly eaten half of them, correct, everybody? Okay, so below where her children replies when they were being questioned, Vanessa said, I did not eat it. And Melissa said, neither did I. And Bobby said, Vanessa ate the cake. If two of the children lie, let's see. If Vanessa is lying. Okay, so let's just make a table. Vanessa, Melissa, and Bobby. So lie and truth. Correct, everybody? So if Vanessa is lying, said, I did not eat the cake. Okay, so that means Vanessa eat the cake, correct? Okay, so if Melissa was also lying, neither did I. So that means Melissa also eat the cake. And Bobby said, Melissa ate the cake. Oh, that was right. Correct? But below the children, so two of them lied and had eaten. Who had eaten cake? So does this one said maybe two people eat the cake or one people eat the cake? Jordan.
One person.
So there are two people eating the cake, right? For this one. So let's just see. Maybe Vanessa is lying and Bobby is also lying and Melissa is telling the truth. So Vanessa eat and Melissa is right. And Bobby said, Vanessa ate the cake, which is not eating actually. So it's bumping together. So it's not right. Okay, so let's see. If Melissa is telling the truth. Okay, so Melissa and Bobby is telling the lie. So Vanessa said, I did not eat it. So it's not her eating it. And Melissa, M, okay, let's see V, M, and B. So M said, neither did I, but actually M eat it. Correct, everybody? Okay, Bobby said, Vanessa ate the cake, which is a lie. So which is what? Which means it is right because Vanessa did not eat it. And Bobby accusing that V eat it. So which is right? So finally, Melissa eat the cake. Okay, so Alexander, right, is right, and only Alexander is right. Alexander, good job. Do you understand, everybody? Do you want me to just to replace again? Do you want me to tell you again? Jordan? Yeah, I think we need to explain again. Okay, I'm going to do it again. So while I'm doing this again, I'm going to replace with Vanessa, Melissa, and Bobby into A, B, and C because it's like drives me nuts. Okay, to doing everything into different number. So just say there's an A, B, and C. Okay, 3 people. Okay, so this one is said A eat it. Okay, so A, B, and C, we're going to make a table. So this one is lying and this one's telling the truth. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So if A is lying and A said, I did not eat the cake. So I want to ask Anna, what does it mean? If A said, I'm not eating, so what does it mean?
Is telling the lie.
Yeah, he's telling the lie. So that means A eats cake. Correct? Correct? Okay, so number B, let's see. So if B is also telling the lie, that means C is telling the truth. Okay, so let's see. So B said, neither did I. So B also eats the cake, correct? So there's only one person eating the cake. So this situation is wrong. So let's see if A is lying and B is telling the truth and C is lying. Let's take a look at this one, okay? So let's just make line is cross and truth is taking a mark. So A said, I did not eat it. That means A is eating the cake. And B said, neither did I. That means B is not eating the cake, which is good. And Bobby said, A ate the cake, which is a lie. That means A is not eating cake, which is bumping up by the first one because A said, I did not eat it. And it's a lie, so it's not right. Correct, everybody? Okay, so this situation is also wrong. So let's take a look at number 3. So if A is telling the truth and B and C are telling the lies. So let's see. So if A said, I did not eat it, so that means A is not eating the cake. Okay, so number 2, B said, neither did I, which is a lie. So B eats cake. Number C is also a lie, said A ate the cake, which is true. A is not eating cake. So this one's A, not eating cake, which is right. Okay, so for this one is Vanessa eats the cake. Correct, everybody?
Yes.
Oh, no, sorry, Melissa. Melissa eats the cake, which is B. B is eating the cake. Okay, so let's see if there's any other possibilities. So A is telling the truth, B is telling the truth, and C is telling the truth. Yeah, everybody is telling one truth by one. All the case scenarios is there. So there's only possible that B is eating the cake, which is Melissa. Alexander, good job. Okay, everybody, please, when you're doing those questions, please get a table and just to list all the possibilities and you will find out what is the answer. Okay, Melissa eat the cake. Okay, so let's practice, okay? So during a baseball practice, Harry, Bill, and Anthony each puts a cap on different color. Anthony is not wearing a yellow cap. Bill's cap is neither yellow nor white. Can you find out the color of the cap that each of them has pulled out? Okay. OK，没有小朋友做好吗？这个很简单。
I'm trying to send it to you. Sending it to you.
OK, no problem. Okay, Jordan has sent it to me.
Maybe I'm sending it to you.
Okay, Amelia has sent it to me. Eleanor has sent it to me. Good job. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, Anna, let me ask you. Anthony is not wearing a yellow cap. Can you just do that on the Anthony and yellow crossed over? You do a crossed on top of it because Anthony is not yellow, correct? So Bill's cap is neither yellow nor white. So Bill is also not yellow and also not white, correct? So everybody take a look. So Anthony is not yellow. Bill is not yellow. So Harry is what? Must be yellow, correct, everybody? So Bill's not white. It's not yellow. So Bill must be what? Red. So each of them having the number. So Harry's yellow. Bill is red. So Anthony is what? White. So that's correct. Okay, everybody understand? Don't worry about it. If you read the question wrong, just be careful. Okay, everybody? So let's take a look at number 2. Wilfred, Kim, and Shelley each has their own favorite fruit. Wilfred, I don't take oranges. Kim, I don't eat apples or oranges. Can you find out each of their favorite fruit? Put check mark or cross in the appropriate box.
Appropriate.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna send it to you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm sending it to you, Perry.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay?
I sent it to you.